I think we were in Tahiti when we first met Papa Noo. How we went through with Papa Alphonse in Tahiti. And that was our first time we met Papa Noo. And then there was a time my dad was sick in Rarotonga. He was in hospital. Out of all the musicians, Papa Noo was the first man that came to meet my dad in hospital. And our dad said to Papa Noo, if anything happens to him, for him to look after his girls in music and to look out for us. That was that time when my dad was not that well, when he was in hospital here in Rarotonga. And then when we moved over to New Zealand, and I thank him on one side, you know, because he asked us when we moved to New Zealand to do the opening at the Club Rara.
Yeah, the opening, that's right.
And then it just started from there. We were entertaining. And then there was a trio competition. That's when myself and Purutu and my sister Debbie, the late Debbie, and we got involved in this competition, the trio competition in New Zealand. And we won that. So we were honored because Gabrielu was a judge. Teremoana Rapley was a judge. Mabel Bird. So these were good judges on that night. And a lot of good singers on that night as well. Groups.
They record the Torusam, which is Henry Taripo, Henze, Ania.
With
Ibunakoshi was one. Alice Tainakore sisters. They were also inside the competition. And many more. That's how we got introduced to Papa Noo in our recording as we won that competition, the Club Rara, and we have to do a recording. And to actually get our money, we have to do that recording.
Show me the money.
No, give me the money.
So we had to record,
We did that recording, which was a bang, and
the Pasaka album.
And from there to this day, we're still with him. Even though we have our ups and downs, at the end of the day, nobody knows our bond.
Exactly, Now I think with the old man, you know, when you're there to do something, we got to make sure we're there and on time, and if something's wrong,
when he flicked the finger like that, we have to listen.
And if it's taking long, oh my God, you don't want to be around. I think he really liked that song that Purutu composed, Pasaka, and there were other songs he was saying. I think he knows what the people out there would love to listen, and so we did that. And then we did medley songs together. He said, sing this one will connect together. So he knew what he's doing, and us girls did that.
And look at him today, the bloody old bugger's still going.
So wherever you go, even in Tahiti,
yes,
Heimana music.
Waimutu music.
It's still playing. Over here, it's still playing.
Australia, and many more.
Aue o ki koe te puro tumane.